Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am editing some of my photos that I just got today of bird photography and some other pictures that I got in the field behind our house. I did this one black and white. I really liked the contrast of it. So with this one I'm bringing the whites down. I'm gonna bring the blacks down a little bit. I think that one looks really nice. I think with this one, I'll probably drop, I think I'll keep the highlights, and then I'll drop the blacks a little bit on that one. I think I'm going to come back to that one. I'm kind of working on these ones of the birds right now. I really like this one. This turned out really nice. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Think of this one. Nah, I'm gonna leave the blacks there. I think I'm gonna add some texture there. Maybe just a little contrast. Yeah, that one looks really nice. I'm kind of stuck on what to do with this one, though. You kind of don't want to go too crazy with clarity, or it can kind of mess your picture up. I think I'll keep the highlights up. Think of this one, I'm going to use the brush. Because it's just too hard to, because I really just want to fix the bird, but I don't want to affect everything else. So I'm going to use the healing brush. Don't think. I think I've decided with this picture, I'm just gonna leave the bird how it is. I think maybe I'll come back to it later, but yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. See ya.